flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of Forces have inflicted fire damage on enemy manpower and military. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Krasny Liman direction, the ground attack and army aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of Forces have inflicted fire damage on enemy manpower and military hardware close to Ploshchanka, Lugansk People's Republic, Terny, Yampolovka, and Grigorovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 100 Ukrainian troops, an armored fighting vehicle, 4 pickup trucks, AD-30 howitzer, and a Gvozdika self-propelled artillery unit have been eliminated in this direction during the day. In total, 400 airplanes and 220 helicopters, 3,385 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,275 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,326 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,879 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Ці групи, вони розосереджені, як я сказав, їх сотні, тому насичуючи нашу систему протиповітряної оборони такими групами, ми піднімаємо їх ефективність. От у такий спосіб ми досягаємо.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.